How to add your address on Cash App. If you would like to add your address on Cash App, which can be used to also verify your identity on Cash App, just launch Cash App and make sure that you are signed in to your account. After you have done so, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen, and after you have done that, again under Account and Settings, you'll find an option that says Personal. Tap on the personal option right here, and right at the top you'll find an option that says Personal Info. So it says only you can see these details, and we will use this info to help verify your identity. So just tap on the Add an Address button right here, then simply go ahead and then make sure to enter your current address in this case. And once you go ahead and then make sure to do that, so you can enter the state you are currently in and where you live and so on, then just tap on the next, and you can just go ahead and then enter the city as well as also the state and then the zip code of that particular state. Then once you've done that, just tap on the next option, and this will basically help you to verify the identity on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you as to how you can add address on Cash App. I hope the video was really helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.